How much should you actually spend on a Go Kart? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Some Go Karts promise speed and thrills, while others are built just for fun or protection. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 very different options, each solving a different kind of Go Kart problem. Product number 1, CONFUTURY Waterproof Go Kart Cover. Let's start with something practical, the CONFUTURY Waterproof Go Kart Cover. This isn't a cart you drive, but one you protect. Priced at just $32.64, it's a heavy-duty 420D Oxford fabric cover designed for 2-seater Go Karts. If you want to keep your ride safe from rain, sun, and snow without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 420D material with triple nano coating resists 5,000 water pressure and blocks over 85% of UV rays. That means no fading paint, no cracked seats, and no surprise puddles under your cart. The 4 reflective handles and front back buckles keep it secure even in strong winds, and the air vent prevents moisture buildup, something most covers skip. With 50 plus bought in the past month, it's clearly filling a real need. Now, some people might complain about the lack of detailed sizing guidance. Here's the thing though, the cover is labeled as Universal Fit 67LX45WX47H, so you'll need to measure your cart carefully. It won't work for oversized or custom builds, but for most standard 2-seaters, it's a solid match. This is perfect for you if you own a Go Kart and leave it outside or in a dusty garage. Skip this one if you store your cart indoors in a climate-controlled space. You probably don't need it. For the price, it's excellent value for peace of mind. Product number 2, DIY Electric Go Kart Plans. Now, if the cover was about protection, this next one is about creation. The best DIY plans, electric Go Kart plans for $18.96. This isn't a physical cart, but a full set of blueprints to build your own electric drift machine. If you want a custom ride and don't mind getting your hands dirty, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The plans include precise measurements, wiring diagrams, and assembly steps for a silent, zero-emission electric cart. You can tailor everything from motor power to frame design so it fits your space, skill level, and budget. Whether you're building for backyard drifting or just love engineering projects, this gives you total control. And since it's digital, you can print it once and build multiple times. The manufacturer recommends it for ages 16 plus, which makes sense. This isn't a toy, it's a real build. Now, some people might be turned off by the lack of physical parts. Here's the thing though, this is a plans-only product. You'll need to source motors, batteries, and metal framing yourself, which can add up. But that's also the point, it's customizable. If you want a pre-built cart, this isn't it. But if you're looking for a rewarding project and long-term savings over buying a commercial electric cart, this is a smart start. This is perfect for you if you're a hands-on builder or STEM educator. Skip this one if you want something ready to ride out of the box. For under $20, it's a steal for the right person. Product number 3, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Alright, that was a solid option for builders. But the next one on my list might actually be better for family fun. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe for Nintendo Switch at $62.14. This isn't a real kart, but the closest most of us will get to racing glory at home. If you want fast-paced, multiplayer racing with zero maintenance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports up to 4 players locally in 1080p, includes every track from the Wii U version plus DLC, and adds new characters like the Inklings. The smart steering feature helps younger players stay on track, making it accessible for kids as young as 5, while 200cc mode delivers intense speed for experienced racers. Whether you're battling on Rainbow Road or playing battle mode in your living room, it's pure chaotic fun. Now, some people might say it's just a video game, not a real go-kart. Here's the thing though, this delivers the thrill of kart racing without fuel costs, noise, or safety gear. It's perfect for rainy days, parties, or bonding with kids. And with over 60 million copies sold worldwide, it's clearly doing something right. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, repeatable racing fun with family or friends. Skip this one if you're looking for outdoor physical activity. For the price of a single real kart session, you get endless entertainment. Product number 4, Honey Joy Kids Pedal Go Kart. Now, if Mario Kart was virtual fun, this next one brings real motion. The Honey Joy Kids Pedal Go Kart for $143.76. Designed for ages 3 and up, it's a pedal-powered off-road racer with adjustable seats, EVA rubber tires, and dual safety brakes. If you want a safe, active outdoor toy that builds coordination, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The non-slip pedals and anti-slip wheels give kids full control over speed and direction, encouraging independence and physical exercise. The bucket seat adjusts for growing kids, and the metal frame ensures durability. Unlike battery-powered ride-ons, this builds leg strength and endurance, plus no charging required. It's rated for indoor and outdoor use, so backyard adventures or driveway races are totally doable. Here's the thing though, at 20 pounds, it's light enough for most adults to move but sturdy enough to handle rough play. Assembly takes about 30 minutes, and while the instructions could be clearer, the build quality is solid for the price. This is perfect for you if you have active kids who love outdoor play. Skip this one if you're looking for high-speed thrills. This is about control and fun, not velocity. For under $150, it's a great investment in active play. Product number 5, Moto Tech Gas Pocket Bike GT. Finally, if you're ready for real speed, meet the Moto Tech Gas Pocket Bike GT, a 49cc 2-stroke mini motorcycle styled like a go-kart. Priced around $400-500 though not listed, it weighs 45 pounds and hits speeds up to 30 mph. If you want a compact, gas-powered thrill machine for teens or adults, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 49cc engine delivers instant acceleration, and the lightweight frame makes it nimble for tight turns. It's not street legal in most areas, but perfect for private tracks, large yards, or go-kart events. The design mimics real racing bikes, giving riders that authentic cockpit feel. Just note, it's recommended for ages 13+, so it's not for young kids. Here's the thing though, this is a performance vehicle, not a toy. It requires proper gear, supervision, and maintenance. But for the price, it's one of the most affordable ways to get into gas-powered karting. This is perfect for you if you're a teen or adult seeking speed and realism. Skip this one if you want quiet, eco-friendly, or child-safe options. It's a serious step up in power and responsibility. So which go-kart is best? It depends entirely on what you need. The CONFUTURY cover protects your investment, the DIY plans let you build your dream, Mario Kart 8 delivers virtual thrills, the Honey Joy Kart keeps kids active, and the Moto Tech gives real speed. None are perfect for everyone, but one of them is perfect for you. Let me know in the comments which one you pick.